This video will show you how to link your Alpine in-dash system to your MyQ account. You will then be able to control your MyQ-enabled devices through your Alpine in-dash system. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. You'll need a mobile device with the latest version of the MyQ app already installed. These instructions are for both iOS and Android users. On your mobile device, open the MyQ app. Tap the Works With button. Scroll through the linked partners and select Alpine. Tap Link. If it is not already installed, you will need to download the Alpine Connect app. Open the Alpine Connect app and enable MyQ Home Control. You will be prompted to enter your MyQ account credentials. Tap Yes. Enter your email address and password. Then tap Authenticate. Check your email and follow the link to myqservices.com. Enter your email address and password to log in to MyQ Services. Tap Authenticate. Under Alpine Connect plans, select Subscribe to the limited time free offer. Once free linking has been activated, select Continue. MyQ Home Control is now enabled inside the Alpine Connect app. For MyQ Home Control to be displayed on the Alpine infotainment system, the mobile device must be connected. iOS users connect via a wired connection. Android users connect via Bluetooth. Press the menu button on the Alpine in-vehicle dash. Tap Alpine Connect. The MyQ icon will be displayed. To learn how to use MyQ features in the Alpine in-vehicle dash, watch our other video.